可以会能 Have you heard of these words before? Are you curious to know? Or maybe you already know what are these words and you wanted to find out how to use it. This video is for you. Come with me until the end of the video because I'm not only going to explain how to use it and what are the meanings, but also will be giving you more and more examples and distinction for you to get that significant understanding. Do you like that? If you do, come with me. 可以 Then the next one is 会 Then the other one is 能 All of these three words that I just given to you just now are the equivalent of can in English. Let's start with 可以 可以 means permission to something. The next is 会 means to know how to do something. The third one would be 能 能 means to be able to do something. So before we go even deeper into each and every word, let's go for some examples so that we can warm things up and get more distinctions. 我可以问你一个问题吗? It means, can I ask you a question? Let's do another example. 老板正在开会，你现在不可以进去。What does this mean? It means that the boss is having a meeting and you cannot enter the room. So the next example would be 妈妈说吃完下午餐就可以出去玩了。This means Mom said after you have finished eating lunch, you can go out and play. Let's have another example. 我的老板说下班的时候我们可以回家了。So it means my boss said after work we can go home. Let's go to the next one. 会 We're going to go for some examples. 他会说西班牙语 which means he can speak Spanish. The next example would be 你不会唱歌你不会唱歌 If you know this sentence, it means you can't sing. I hope you're getting this. So the next example will give you a clarity on what 会 means and how can you use it. 我的弟弟不会游泳 What does this mean? It means my brother can't swim. Finally, we are at the third one, which is 能 能 This word means able to. Let's go for some examples. 他能跑得很快 What does this mean? It means that he can run very fast. Next one would be 他嗓子疼今天不能说话 So, as you can see on this sentence, it means he has a sore throat and he can't speak today? If you are and you have the aha moment right now, please give me some comments below and let me know, because I will be more effective to teach and share on what will help you to learn Chinese. If it makes sense, give me some comments and give me some likes. So let's have some examples for the permission function. 你能不能借你的铅笔? What does this mean? It means, can I borrow your pen? So in Chinese, there are questions that you can use, yes or no, can or cannot. So let's go for another example. 你一会能陪我吗? It means, can you accompany me? So let's go for the next example. 他距离我很远，但是他能看见我. It means that even though he's far from me, but he can still see me. Then again, 会 means a skill. It's a knowledge, a skill, and an ability for you to do something. 能做 means can sit. 能留 means can stay. 能说话 means can speak or can talk. 会 is according for skill, knowledge, or ability that you have learned. So we can go for some examples. 会跳舞 means dance. The next would be 会打篮球 means play basketball. Another example would be 会弹吉他 means play guitar. So we are here and we're gonna recap. So the first that we have learned today is 可以. 可以 is used for permission. The next would be 能. 能 can be used also for permission, and it also can be commonly used for physical verb. And there's another word which is 会. 会 pertains specifically to an action that requires a skill, a knowledge, an ability that you have learned for you to be able to do the skill. So if this video gives value to you, please give me some comments below, because I would love to hear what you think about this video. And if this video has helped you and give value to you, please give us a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscriber bell button below, because we are going to upload more and more videos every week. If you think this video can be beneficial to someone else, don't forget to share our video with them so that we can also have a more reach to help more and more Chinese learners with their Chinese learning journey. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。